Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmore Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the HWinfo64.sys driver issues, specifically with the error message that it cannot install the HWinfo driver. Try to disable core isolations, memory integrity settings in Windows. Check antivirus and anti-malware filters, close other system monitoring tools. And another information guys, so what is HWinfo64.sys is associated with the HWinfo64 software, which is also known as the HWinfo AMD64 kernel driver file. HWinfo64 is a hardware monitoring and diagnostic tool commonly used to collect informations about computer hardware components. So yan po yung ibig sabihin niya. Okay, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps ay kailangan lang natin i-type dito yung Windows Security. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa Windows Security, dito lang sa left side menu ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Device Security. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Device Security, makikita mo kaagad dito yung Core Isolations. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Core Isolation Details. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Core Isolation Details, ang next step ay dito lang sa Memory Integrity. So, kailangan lang natin itong i-turn off. Okay? So, turn off mo lang or i-toggle off lang natin itong button niya. And then, if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then, after natin dito ma-turn off, so ang next step, so close lang natin yan. And then, dito sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix HWinfo64.sys driver not working after Windows update. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.